Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect the FlySky FS-i6X controller to an RC simulator. If you are new around here, consider subscribing. I make weekly videos of electronics, code and general making, and I'm sure you'll find something of an interest. In order for you to be able to fly a model aircraft, you will need to first learn how. For that, the use of a simulator software is really indispensable as it gives you room for mistakes without costly repairs of your model. And believe me, you're gonna crash. The controller I have is the FlySky FS-i6X, and it's an awesome one for the cost of it. I'll leave links to it and all of the gear I use in the video description. Additionally to the controller, I've purchased this simulator cable that has three parts: the USB controller, the S-Video to 3.5mm audio, and an additional larger MIDI connector for other FlySky transmitters. The connection process is quite simple, where you need to plug the S-Video cable into the training port of your controller. This port is usually on the back and is being used for connecting with other controllers, so you can have an actual teacher next to you. Once that is done, we need to connect the USB controller. First, plug in the 3.5mm jack into the receptacle on the controller cable and then plug the USB into your computer. The simulator I use is called ClearView, and you can find the link to it in the video description. Before launching the simulator, it is necessary that we have the controller connected through USB and we have it powered on. Once we start the simulator, we can go to Settings, Controller Setup to select and set up our controller. Step 1 is to select your controller. If we have made the connection properly, the controller should be listed in the drop-down as ppm. Select it and you should see the controls moving once you move the sticks. However, not always the controller has the full range of motion. Therefore, it is recommended that you calibrate the controller by pressing on the calibrate button. First, you're gonna be asked to center all of the sticks, and then on the next step is to move all of the sticks in circles to their end positions. Once done, click OK and you should now see your controller moving the controls to the end positions. What's next is for you to choose your model and site and enjoy flying. Similar to how real pilots learn to fly, you're required to spend a lot of time on the simulator in order to manage to fly properly and save your model. If you have any flying tips or recommendations, please leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying until the next one. Cheers and thanks for watching.